I'm back yelling again. We're going to install this trim around the cabinet door. We're going to finish installing the trim around the cabinet door and then frame out the lid for the box. This is the never-ending project, isn't it? It seems like it. So I need to lay this over again so I can take some measurements. I need to put the trim along the edge here in such a way that it doesn't interfere with the hasp. So I have two different pieces. Come up to that. It'll be badass. And there you go. We have our angle iron lip for the cabinet portion of our box cabinet installed. And it looks good. Nice and snug. See that? Perfect. Okay, let's set it back up again. Do the lid. Before we put the trim around the top, the box portion of the box cabinet, I need to install the latch on it as well. That's exciting. It's exciting stuff, right? Yeah, everyone knows that. looks good. In the last video, see, this is the portion I cut off, this little 1/4-inch plate. We're going to leave it on for this because we got the little bend in it here. Nice and snug. That's good. All right, we got our hasps on there now, our locking devices. Need to clean up some of these welds and put the trim on the top. I did break my first bandsaw blade though. I don't know how. I did have a spare too though, so there's that. Progress. We're making good progress. We got the top trimmed out. That gives it that nice clean look. We got the box latch on and snugged up. So it doesn't rattle. That's, you know, sometimes when I can't get it over far enough to where it just barely hits, I'll put a little tack or something in there of a weld, because, you know, so it doesn't rattle around. But fortunately that's not a problem with this. Yeah, we're just about there. We need to dress up the sides and the back and then paint. Heck yeah, and we need to smooth it out with at least 110 grit flap disc. But I got too much to do today, so that's all we're gonna do today. I just said that twice, didn't I? Yeah. Almost there. See you on the next one.